The clocks are on the captain's and first officer's instrument panels. The clock is digital, with an LCD sweep second hand. Use the Time Date push button to select manual time or date. Pushing the Time Date push button will cycle through 4 modes in the following order: Universal Time Coordinated (UTC) time, UTC date, manual time, and manual date. Now let's set the time to 4:08. First, push the Time Date push button to manual. Continue. Continue. When you see manual time, then you can set the time. Selecting the Set push button causes the hours to flash. Use the plus or minus push button to adjust the hours. Selecting the Set push button again causes the minutes to flash. Use the plus or minus push button to adjust the minutes. Select the Set push button again to run the time. The Time Date control cycles through the time date display from UTC time and date to manual time and date. Push the Date control. Continue. 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 The day and month are alternately displayed with the year. The date displayed is 26 February 1999. When the date is shown in the Time Date display, select the Set push button and the day flashes. Then use the plus and minus push buttons to adjust the day. Select the Set push button again and the month flashes. Use the plus and minus push buttons to adjust the month. Select the Set button again and the year flashes. Use the plus and minus push buttons to adjust the year. Select the Set button again to run the date. The Elapsed Time control operates the elapsed time display. The display shows minutes and hours. The Chronograph control operates the chronograph display and the second hand. The display shows only minutes. The Elapsed Time chronograph display shows elapsed time after the chronograph is reset to 0. The elapsed time function operates only when the elapsed time control is in the run position. Selecting ET push button again temporarily stops the elapsed time until ET is reselected. The reset position sets the elapsed time to 0. Now, push the chronograph control to set the second hand and the chronograph to 0. Elapsed time display shows the elapsed time function started 15 minutes ago. Select ET push button to hold. Select the Reset push button to reset the elapsed time. The display blanks after 5 seconds. Select the ET push button to start the elapsed time. After 1 minute has elapsed, a 1 displays. Use the chronograph when you need more accurate timing, such as during non-precision approaches. Push the chronograph control to start the second hand. The second hand shows seconds. Push the chronograph control to stop the chronograph. Push the control again to set the second hand to 0 and display the elapsed time. The elapsed time continues to operate in the background while the chronograph operates.